Alright Ted, here's one of your 427s, small block Ford, description of this combination, got a set of our CNC heads on it. Obviously Borla, custom ground hydraulic roller, front sump oil pan, got a front end kit on it. Fuel management, Holley Terminator X, we'll go in there and make a run, see what it does, stay tuned. Okey-doke, 3,400, 504 foot-pounds of torque. Looks like a Peaks torque 539. Good torque. Peaks horsepower 535. So everything's good. What we'll do now is pull pipes back, make sure it's good and clean. Show you a couple things here. When you see your in, find this thing looks like a credit card, USB card. It is full of technical information. In the crate will be this packet. You'll have an engine spec sheet. It has a lot of tech stuff on it. I'd recommend reading that. Have a great day.